Hi all, let's do some more Oracle. This will be number 3. We'll create a user and we'll create a workspace inside the GUI. Okay, so I have this file here. We'll go ahead and follow this. It's basically the same SQL commands we did in video 2, but I want to show you how to do it inside the GUI. Oh, wait a minute, I got my shirt on backwards here. Sorry. Okay, that's better. Okay, so when we installed Oracle, it put this guy on our desktop. So we'll just go ahead and click him. If you don't have that on your desktop, just go to All Apps or go to your Start menu where Oracle is installed, and there's a fellow there that says Get Started. Okay, and it opens this. I'm going to hold the Control key down and press the plus sign a couple times. That'll make it bigger, be easier for you to see. Okay, so we have all these things along the top. Basically the same thing down here along the side. So let's see here. I don't see a login button. It would be nice if they had a login here somewhere. But if we just click on here, it gives us a login screen. And I'm just going to log in with system account. That's just the administrator's account. Same password as we used earlier that we set up when we installed Oracle. Okay, so now it shows us all the items. And we'll get into the details of this stuff later on. I just wanted to show you a few simple things now. So if we go to Application Express here, this is where we can create a user. So we can go create a user. We'll say Jim01. And these don't exist. We're starting from scratch. And I'm just going to use the same password as I use for the system account. Okay. So create a new user and click Create Workspace. Okay, it brought us back to the main screen, and then right here it says log in with Jim01. See, we're still logged in as system, right? So now we want to log in as Jim. So it brings us to this screen, and then type in the password and click login. Okay, and now we have all these things here. And there's all types of things that you can click through here and explore. Okay, so what I mainly wanted to show you is the SQL Workshop. If you click on here, it brings you to this screen. And then if you click on SQL commands, it brings you to this screen. So this would be like the main area that you enter in SQL commands. It's like an easy version of the command line. So we have our create table here. Same one we used yesterday. Just copy and paste that into here and then click the run button. And down here below it says table was created. Now we need to well, here, let's do a describe to make sure it was created. And click run. And you can see down below here, it describes the table for us. Here's the column, ID number column, item column, cost column, in stock column. Okay, so now we can enter in the data. One row inserted. If we wanted to, we could do a select statement here to see it. As a refresher, we can say select all of the columns. That means all of the columns from the products table. And click run. Okay, and then it displays the one record here, the one row. We could insert more data. Here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, and then we can go back and do the select statement. And it shows us our table filled with the data. If we wanted to, just to give you an idea of what we can do with this, like instead of showing all of the columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, we could say, just show me the ID number column and the item column. So it's only going to display the first 2 columns. Sometimes on big tables that have lots of columns, you may not want to see them all. There might be only a few columns that you want to see. Let's say we can select these 3 columns from the products table where cost is greater than $9.99. So then it only displayed these 2 items. These 2 items cost more than $9.99. We could go where it's greater than or equal to $9.99. So then it also includes this fella here. Okay, so that's basically what an SQL select statement is. They call them select statements. They call them queries, Q-U-E-R-Y, a query. We're querying the database. These select statements definitely get more difficult. You know, you get 2 or 3 tables going. You know, you have to grab information from 2 or 3 tables. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and drop the table. You don't always have to drop the table, right? Because you may want to use it again. But I'm just doing it as an example so you get used to seeing it. And now the table is gone. Okay, see ya. Bye.